All right, let's get to our big story tonight, Milton, and what's happening with this week where we are expecting not only Milton, but the rain also before we get to deal with that.
Yes, Milton is just one impact here over the next few days. That's why we're under a next weather alert. Milton all the way in the western Gulf of Mexico, a ways before it gets here. But out ahead of it, we're looking at very heavy rain coming in, and that will be the concerns tomorrow. So that is what we'll start with here with the next weather alert. Periods of heavy rain coming into the area. Had some flood advisories today. Prepare for more flooding, and then eventually we'll watch closely Milton working its way across the Gulf, forecast to intensify and move up towards the Gulf Coast here. As far as the rain now, the next weather radar network showing a little activity still in the upper Keys, and we'll keep those showers around right near the coast. But overall, heaviest rain and storms looks to be winding down here, at least for now. If you're out this evening, there's some light rain up and down the East Coast here. We do have the potential for flooding over the next few days here. So tomorrow, another round of heavy rain. We have a flood watch going all the way through Thursday because just a lot of moisture over the area. So flooding will be a big problem here with expected 4 to 7 inches of rain. We'll get a little break tonight. Not a bad view as we look at our Rusty Pelican camera, but there's the clouds around, maybe a stray shower or two. Temperatures are in the upper 70s, maybe hovering right about 80 degrees. Now this area is a little disturbance. It's not tropical, but there's a lot of moisture with it, and it will enhance the showers and storms tomorrow. We get that break here tonight, maybe a stray shower or two. Not completely dry, but a few showers that can't be ruled out. It's tomorrow morning. We'll start the day with rain around, and then look at this area just working its way north here. Enhancing the rain and heavier downpours. These really pick up between about 3 and 6 o'clock tomorrow. Could see additional flooding with this as these heavy rain showers work their way through the area. Now we will keep some rain in the forecast Monday, overnight Sunday to Monday. Still some rain showers working through the area, but overall, look what happens by Monday evening. Might start to lower the rain chances just a bit before we focus on Milton working its way across the Gulf of Mexico here. Rain amounts anywhere from 4 to 7 inches here, obviously higher, closer to the center of the track of the storm here. But this is why we have the potential for flooding here over the next few days. Now, the track does show it really rapidly intensifying from Monday to Tuesday here and is starting to make a northeast turn. That has been the forecast trend here. It will round around. The trough is digging south and trying to lift this north. So eyeing the Gulf Coast here, going over very warm water, very deep warm water. So a major hurricane moving towards the Gulf Coast by midday Wednesday, emerging out on the Atlantic as a weaker system here, but still something to watch by the end of the week. The forecast model showing that turn to the north, and then we'll look at new information coming in, but the track is there in the white, and these are the forecast models going right near that Gulf Coast there by midday Wednesday. Now we have two forecasts that we really look at, the American model and the European model, both in pretty good agreement that we're seeing rapid intensification here. What's happening, though, is it's actually slowing down and lifting a bit farther north. So we'll see if this trend continues. But the big concern here with both forecast models going right towards Tampa is that by Tuesday to Wednesday, that is when these strong winds work across the area here. So make sure as you look at Milton coming across the area, you have the forecast, everything done by Tuesday night. Another system staying in the Atlantic and just a low development potential there in the East Atlantic there with that 30% chance there. So the next weather 7-day forecast does show that we are under this alert Sunday through Wednesday. Again, the Milton impact's not until the end of that alert. In the meantime, heavier rain working through the area. Showers and storms will gradually diminish as we keep temperatures in the upper 80s Thursday, Friday, and Saturday.